Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some important computer abbreviations. These full forms are very useful for all exams and interviews. Let's begin and see how many you know. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit, RAM, Random Access Memory, SSD, Solid State Drive, UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supply, USB, Universal Serial Bus, VGA, Video Graphics Array LCD Liquid Crystal Display, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, ISP, Internet Service Provider, Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity, W3C, World Wide Web Consortium, TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, AEPS, Aadhaar-enabled payment system, RTGS, Real-time Gross Settlement, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, APK, Android Package SQL, Structured Query Language, DOS, Disk Operating System, and last is GUI, Graphical User Interface. Which abbreviation was new for you? Tell me in the comments. Want part 2? Like plus comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.